I'm Brittany with WTI, and it can be a challenge to stay hydrated.
And this SENDESTAR 24-ounce water bottle has really made that easy. It is absolutely beautiful. You can easily put on a silicone booty on the bottom to protect the bottom. It keeps things so cold. You can put any drink of preference in here, and it is going to stay cold during all of your daily activities. I love the top. It really allows for you to screw it on easily, then have easy access. It doesn't leak, so you don't have to worry about any messes. It is very easy to clean with a bottle brush, some water if you want to use some soap. It comes with 2 straws along with a straw cleaner that you can put directly into the straw, or you can connect the straw to the top and have the straw cleaner go in through the nozzle and help clean up any dirt, grime that build up over time. I also like that this comes with a different top that doesn't require a straw. I like this for when I'm wanting to drink hot drinks, tea, coffee, anything like that. It really keeps my drinks hot, and again, it does not leak or cause any problems, which allows me to shake up any combination. I just love how easily it untwists and twists back on when I'm drinking and when I'm done. It's so easy. I use this everywhere when I'm in the city running errands, when I'm out to eat, or on a hike. It fits so well in my car, and it is so easy to grab, whether with all fingers, 3, 2, 1. If you have a lot of things in your hand, that makes it very convenient, or if you don't want to touch anything that may have a lot of germs.
And this is such a great solution to any hydration needs. You can carry it with you anywhere you go, no matter what you're doing. This is going to be your hydration buddy. And that's my point of view.